Hello, welcome back to our virtual class. It's me, your teacher Manugiri. Once again, I am here to teach you math. Today in our math class, we are going to do some word problems related to addition, which is given in page number 42 and 43. There are 5 questions, and today I am going to solve 3 questions from page number 42. Now let us start to do the word problems related to addition. Now let me show you the question number A. So before we solve word problems, we have to identify the statement, the given. What is given in the question? Okay, what is given? We have to identify the statement, what is given there, and then we have to identify what is the question that is asked us to find out, and third, we have to know which operation we are going to use. Understood? Now let's read a question. There were 6,987 people in a village in the year 2004. In 2006, the population in the village increased by 1,289. How many people were there by 2006 end? Now here in what is given that in the year 2004, the population were 6,987, isn't it? What is given here? In the year 2004, the population is 6,987. This is given. And what is the another given? In 2006, the population in the village increased by 1,289. This is the another given here. Now what is asked? How many people were there by 2006 end? This is asked here. Now let us write the statement which is given in our question. Now let us start to solve, okay? Now number of people in year 2004. What is the number of people? Now let us write that is 6,987. This is the given here. Now let me write this number again. 7 is in corner, very corner. Let me write 6,987. Okay. Now what is another given? The number of people increased means 1,289 people more. Increase means more. 1,289 peoples more in 2006. Increased, added, isn't it? So let us write down this given. Increased population, increased people in 2000 in year 2006. Okay, what is the number? 1289. This is the number. This is the number of people which is increased in year 1289. Increased people. Here I am trying to make the short sentence. Okay, increased people in year 2006. In place of this, you can write the number of people increased in 2006. I am making here short sentence. That is why you have to understand. Okay, increased people in year 2006 is 1289. Now what is asked here? Total number of people by 2006, isn't it? What is asked here? Total number of people by 2006. Okay, how can we find out this? For this we have to do addition. Then only we can find out the total number. Okay, now let's add 7 and 9, that is 9, 10, 16. 16 here, 6. 1 carry over in this tens place. Now we have to add 1, 8 and 8. 17. Now 1 carry over here. And 10, 12. And 1 carry over, 6, 7 and 8. Now let's check our addition again. 9 and 7, 7 and 9, 16. 1 carry over, 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17. 7, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12. Isn't it? 12, 2, 1 carry over, 6, 7, 8. So this is the total number of population by the end of 2006, isn't it? Now we have identified this statement, we have identified the question which we have to find out, isn't it? Now we have identified the operation which we have to use, that is plus addition, isn't it? Now at last, while doing word problem, at last we have to give the conclusion. We have to give the conclusion. Now let us give the conclusion, that is thus, let's write, thus the total number of people by 2006 and is 8,276. You can use your own sentence, you can make your own sentence to give the conclusion. Okay, you can give conclusion in another way also, like thus by the end of 2006 there were 8,276 people. You can give your conclusion in this way also. Understood? Now this is the question number A which we have solved, isn't it? Now let us go to another problem, that is question number B. Now look here. Now let's read the question. An orchard has 2,341 mango trees. How many mango trees? 2,341. 645 jackfruit trees and 1,209 coconut trees. How many trees are there in the orchard? How many trees are there in all the orchard? Now we have to identify what is given here. Now let us identify here this number of mango tree. Okay, what is given? Number of mango trees, and then jackfruit trees, and then coconut trees, number of coconut trees, isn't it? Now let us write the statement. Now number of mango tree, sorry, it has to be in black color, isn't it? Number of mango trees. Now let us write the number, that is 2341. Now what is another given here? Now what is another given? That is jackfruit trees and coconut trees. But while adding, we have to write the second largest number. Now this is the largest number and then second largest number, that is coconut tree. Number of coconut trees. Trees, trees, that is 1209. Now another number of trees. Which trees? Jackfruit trees, isn't it? Now number of jackfruit trees. Okay, sorry. Fruit trees. It is 645 only, isn't it? Now let us write the number placing each digit correctly. Okay, 5, it is of 3 digit only, so 645. Now we have placed here what is asked in question, that is how many trees are there in all together. All trees in all together, all number of trees, all number of trees means we have to add, isn't it? How many trees are there? All there in all in the orchard means all means total, isn't it? Now total number of trees total number of trees, total number of trees. How can we find out the total number of trees? I know all of you are guessing, isn't it? All of you are guessing that we have to add to find out the whole number of trees. Very good. Now for this we have to do addition. What? Addition. Now let us add. 9 and 1 10, 10 and 5 15. Let us write one carry over here. Now 1 4 and 4, that is 9. Now 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11. 1 and 1 carry over in thousand place. 1 2 and 1, that is 4, isn't it? Now let us rub this. Okay, now we have added here. Now it's time to give conclusion. it's time to give conclusion. We have find out the total number of trees. Now, thus, the total number of the total number of trees, thus the total number of trees is 4195. Okay, the total number of trees, okay, here let's write R. The total number of trees are 4195. This is our conclusion. We have identified the statement, we have identified the question which we have to find out, and we have identified the operation which we are going to do, that is addition. Now at last we have give the conclusion. This is how we solve the word problems. Understood? We have done question number A, question number B. Now it's time to do question number C. Okay. There are 4,530 girls and 3,428 boys in a school. How many students are there altogether? What is given? Number of girls. What is given here? Number of girls. Number of boys. Now, what we have to find out? Total number of students. Here, how many students? See, we have to find out total number of students. You can see here one word, that is, this is O, okay. This is all together. All together means we have to add. All together means together. We have to add all. So we are going to do addition here, isn't it? All together means total. So we are going to add here. Now let us write the statement which is given here. Number of girls in a school. Okay, number of girls in a school. Okay, let me write from here. We have very little space here, so let me write from here. Number of girls. Number of girls in a school. Okay, number of girls in a school. Total number of girls, okay, that is 4,530. This is the number of girls. Now, number of boys. Number, it seems like A, that is U. Number of boys, okay, boys in a school. Okay, number of boys is 3,428. Now what is asked here? Total number of students. What is asked here? Total number of students. Of students is, how can we identify? For this we have to add, isn't it? We have to add. Now let's add. 0 plus 8, that is 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. Now let's see. we have find out the total number of students in a school altogether, students, isn't it? Now it's time to write the conclusion. It's time to write the conclusion. Now let's write the conclusion. Thus, the total number of students in a school is 7,958. Yes, we have written the conclusion here, isn't it? We have identified the statement and then the question and then operation, and we have added here. At last we have find out the conclusion. Okay, I hope all of you have understood word problems which I have solved today. Free word problems, isn't it? I hope all of you have understood these word problems. Now it's time to do other question by yourself, isn't it? Now only this much for today. Bye bye all of you.